Have you been feeling unusually tired lately? Struggling to concentrate? Experiencing lightheadedness or occasional dizziness for no clear reason? Maybe you've noticed lapses in memory, lack of motivation, or that heavy feeling as if you're dragging your body through the day. If you answered yes to any of these, stop what you're doing and listen closely. Because these symptoms are not just part of getting older, they could be the silent cry of your body warning you about a vitamin B12 deficiency, a condition that, if left untreated, can gradually steal your energy, clarity, and even your independence. Why vitamin B12 matters more after 60. Vitamin B12 is essential for keeping your brain sharp, your nerves healthy, and your blood strong. However, as we age, especially after age 50, our bodies naturally become less efficient at absorbing this vital nutrient. By the time we reach 60, this decline accelerates, and in many people over 70, absorption nearly stops altogether. What's worse, most older adults have no idea this is happening. That's why many people are misdiagnosed with depression, early dementia, or neurological conditions, when in reality they're simply suffering from a severe but reversible B12 deficiency. Medical research backs this up. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that over 15% of adults over 65 have dangerously low levels of B12, often undiagnosed. 6 subtle signs you might be low in B12. At first, the symptoms are subtle. Lightheadedness when you stand. Unusual fatigue, even after a full night's sleep. Forgetting where you left your glasses. Numbness or tingling in the hands or feet. Loss of appetite or unexplained sadness. Brain fog or increasing forgetfulness. Over time, these signs intensify and can lead to nerve damage, muscle weakness, and loss of mobility. The sooner it's identified, the faster and easier it is to reverse. A natural homemade energy shake to recharge your body. If you're looking for a safe, affordable, and natural solution, here's a powerful B12 supporting shake you can make at home using ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. Homemade B12 Support Smoothie. Ingredients: fortified nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon. A plant-based source rich in bioavailable B12. Easy to mix with a cheesy flavor. Available in most health stores. Fresh carrot juice, 200 milliliters. High in beta-carotene, which supports B vitamin activity. Make it fresh if possible for best results. A slice of ripe papaya. Full of enzymes that help improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon. Rich in selenium, zinc, and B-complex cofactors that boost B12's effectiveness. Instructions: blend all ingredients for 1 minute until smooth. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, about an hour before breakfast, for optimal absorption. Optional add-ons: 1 teaspoon turmeric, anti-inflammatory. Small piece of fresh ginger, digestive aid. Frequency: 3 to 4 times per week. For more intense symptoms, take it daily for 21 days and monitor your energy, memory, and mood. The most powerful B12 food on Earth. Beef liver, prepared right. If smoothies aren't your thing, consider the underrated powerhouse of B12. Beef liver. Just 50 grams, less than 2 ounces, contains several times the recommended daily amount of vitamin B12. Here's how to prepare it the right way for maximum benefit. Wash and cut into small pieces. Cook briefly with garlic, onion, a dash of salt, and a touch of olive oil. Avoid overcooking. It destroys nutrients. Freeze in small portions using ice cube trays or mini containers. Enjoy once or twice a week in soups with cooked veggies like pumpkin, yams, or sweet potatoes. Add lemon juice after cooking to soften the flavor. Clinical note: patients who reintroduced liver into their diets often reported significant improvements in energy, focus, and even better sleep quality. Sublingual B12, a smart solution for those with absorption issues. If you've been taking antacids, like omeprazole, metformin, or anti-inflammatory medications for years, your stomach may not absorb B12 properly, no matter how well you eat. In such cases, the best option is a sublingual B12 supplement, placed under the tongue and absorbed directly into the bloodstream, bypassing the digestive tract. Look for methylcobalamin, the most active, bioavailable form of B12. No artificial colors or sweeteners. Gentle daily doses, once a day, morning or night. Users often report feeling better within 7 to 21 days, with increased clarity, better balance, and more physical strength. The secret weapon: fermented foods for better absorption. Even the best foods won't help if your gut is inflamed or imbalanced. That's where fermented foods come in. These ancient remedies help heal the gut, allowing better absorption of B12 and other nutrients. Try these options: tempeh, fermented soy, protein-rich, easy to cook with veggies; miso, fermented paste ideal for broths, soups, or warm tonics. Both contain probiotics that support your intestinal health and immune system. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day can reduce bloating, improve digestion, and help your body retain more nutrients naturally. What you feed your body, it gives back in energy. It's a myth that fatigue, confusion, and forgetfulness are just part of getting old. The truth? Most people get sick because they ignore the signs or accept them as normal. But your body is always talking. And when you give it what it needs, it responds. Every time. What you can do today: try the B12 smoothie for 21 days. Add beef liver weekly if possible. Consider sublingual B12 if you're on long-term medications. Eat a small amount of fermented foods daily. And most importantly, listen to your body. If you've made it this far, tell us in the comments, where are you from? And type, "My health is my priority." Let that be your public commitment to your well-being, because with wisdom, faith, and consistency, you can feel vibrant again. This is not magic. This is science, tradition, and smart choices. You are not too old to feel good again. You're just getting started. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.